Everyone, it's Tuesday morning, getting a watch list out late here. I want to bring a couple things to attention. Just having some website problems out there, so anybody is a website designer trying to get a page linked up. But anyway, get in touch with me. Sorry for the delay of the watch list video. Look for it to start coming out on time each night. Looking for some strength in this market. The market selling off aggressively at the last 15 minutes yesterday kind of put a damper on things for today. Still a lot of indecision here in the market, so I'm looking for stocks that are showing some decent relative strength for be the first ones that are at least have a chance to rebound. Right now we have to let these stocks set up. There's no sense of trying to jump in when there's no bottom to be seen. And just to give an example, you could look at Google. You could look at a lot of different stocks there, which have such big swings. You need to let these stocks play out and actually break through resistance areas before you get in. I mean, you could try to time a bounce or intraday trade it, day trade it. But for swing plays, I wouldn't go out and make a call on any of these stocks yet until they definitely hit some type of severe support or show a bullish breakout. So I'm going to bring you some of these stocks that are approaching these levels. NYMEX Holding, Nancy Medical, X-Ray, and again these charts will be posted on the website. Still looking at some strength yesterday. This one was showing some pretty decent strength yesterday. Gabbing down a little today, but we're at this one's been in a consolidation pattern for pretty much the whole year. As you look back at everything there, a pretty decent consolidation pattern in this whole area right here. Pretty down near the lows of the consolidation, which leads me to believe that we could get a definite bounce. Looking at the 60-minute chart here, again, we've been showing some strength as the market's been pulling back, so we're showing some good relative strength here. And I'm looking for a breakout of the $28 area. If we get above that $28, which is kind of a pivot area, I'm looking for a nice decent move back up to the 134. Stochastics are still okay heading up, so I'm looking for some strength in this one. I know the charts are not that good. I'm going to work on that, but again, here's the 5-minute chart on this one. You could actually just see the decent strength all day yesterday as the market was selling off. All right, Stochastics actually coming back in the oversold area also. So watching for strength in some NYMEX, Nancy Medical, X-Ray. This one was brought to my attention from an emailer. Thank you. And that's force protection. Been getting creamed. Even yesterday it was getting creamed. But if you look at the daily chart, it's inside of a channel right here, and just been being slammed. Again, a lot of rumors circulating about this one, but always in the always an actionable, tradable stock when it does get in the news. So I just want to put this one on. Start watching this one for a pattern that's setting up. Don't want to call a bottom on this one yet, but look for a bounce. This is definitely getting to an area where we're looking for a bounce in it. So definitely on the 60-minute chart, we're getting a downward trend line here that we want to keep an eye on, and a very tight one actually over the last. Actually, we bring that down to the 15-minute chart. We'll probably even see it better. We'll zoom in. You can see this definite. This on the 15-minute chart, we have the 50-period moving average, and looking at this one, but even a very tight consolidation here, very tight downtrend. So again, look for some strength to come into this before you start to react on this one. And I'll be watching. It'll be on my watch list from now on, looking for a decent bounce, a decent a reactionary move. All right. Next one that we're looking at is one I'm definitely considering starting to add to my position in this one. Motorola. With the recent news that Ed Zender, the CEO, leaving, we had that spike up on Friday, and as you see, we had that nice spike up here, and then we had a sell-off into that news. And then we had a continued sell-off today, and then actually this morning we're dropping down to about 518, which is coming down to the close to where I want to start looking to get into this one. Looking for it to try to make a double bottom on the daily chart. So I want to get it down around $15, a little under $15. If we get it down there, I would consider taking a position here around 15 or 14.90. I would definitely like to start taking a position in Motorola. As the whole structure has been shaken up. They've just, I think the chief technology officer has left today, which means that maybe they're going to be heading in a new direction soon. So definitely one to watch for a balance. Motorola, always a big player. I mean, they have the money, they have the technology. They just need to get their vision straight, and it's definitely worth a watch. Motorola looking for a double bottom at $15. Another one here, looking at the market right now, starting to get a little bounce here. Again, I don't want to make that call on Google yet, but one I am watching, I do like. I actually started taking a position yesterday, is MasterCard. I do like this one a lot, showing some good strength. On the daily chart, you can see we're right under the highs of the 52-week highs, and looking for a move above that 204 area to get us going. So definitely want to see a move above 204. I can see if we get a move above 204, we're going to move right to new highs, and overall new highs on this one. We're going to have a little resistance at 206.43, but I do believe if we get over 204, we're going to test that, and we're going to go right to 210, and then 220. 220 is a good area for this stock. So looking at MasterCard as one of my favorite stocks, I'm starting to gather a position in this one also. Another one I started to take a position in yesterday is BHI. All right, and this is on the 60-minute chart. We're showing a good starting to consolidate in this area, not showing any weakness as the market was selling off. Actually, this one was holding strength and actually closing near the highs of the day. So this was very, very bullish, and we're going to watch how this reacts today also. So on the daily chart, we're making a nice bottom here, starting to round off. Actually, we have an island reversal, which is a technical candle bar right here, where we have a gap down one day, and then we have a gap up, leaving a little bar in a little island there. And it's not very often you see an island reversal. So something to keep a watch on. Also to put down anything. We have a trend line, but we're slowly breaking out of it sideways, and now it's giving us a little move here that we could break above this last 3 days. 3-day high. If we get above this 3-day high here, I think we're going to move higher. So look for a move above $81, $81.20 for a move higher here. $81.20 for a move higher, and that's BHI, Baker Hughes. And I think that's going to be it for now. Again, I'm gonna continue updating now live on the site. Updated charts now. I'm trying to work on getting that going. So as new charts form, I'm going to give a flash update of this chart. The chart is going to come up on the site, DayTraderRadio.com. You want to check it out, DayTraderRadio.com. Live market trading all day long, and live updates, live market updates, live technical breakouts, technical analysis, live being streamed right to the site. So check it out, DayTraderRadio.com, and I'll talk to you soon. All right, and that's how you do it.